Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know I love special effects makeup. And I know some of you actually don't like Valentine's Day. So I decided to put my favorite thing to do with something you don't like together. So I made this anti-Valentine's Day look, which I think is super cute. If you are interested in seeing how I got this look, keep on watching. I'm starting by outlining a heart shape on my lid with a black eyeliner. Then I'm going into my liquid latex and I'm using a pointed Q-tip and I'm going to apply it around the outline I just drew. I would do this in sections. So once I apply the latex, I put tissue over top of it, and I'm going to continue this step over and over until it gets to the thickness I want. I believe I did about 2 to 3 layers. I will say using latex this close to your eye and your eyelashes is very dangerous, so don't try this if you don't have the right things to remove it, and if you're not careful enough to not get it in your eyes. You can use your hand or blow dryer to make it dry, but I decided to just start on the next eye. So I'm taking my MAC lipstick. I know I never use this lipstick, so I decided to use it as a shadow. Then I'm taking the red out of my Nicka K palette to set the lipstick. I feel like I can't do a look without an inner corner, so I'm adding my LA Color shimmers to the inner corner of my eye. I'm using the same red shade for my lash line. Once the latex was dry, I added my Mehron powder over it just so it won't be so sticky. I attempted to use these small scissors and they didn't work, so I found another way and I just pushed back the inside of the latex. Be careful with this as well. Now I'm just placing my BB cream on top of the latex, and if it doesn't cover up, it's fine because we're going to cover it with bruising and blood. Now I'm just pulling at the latex to make it look more skin-like. Now I'm taking my Mehron ProColoRing and I'm going to use the black shade to apply in the inside of the heart. Then I'm using the red paint, filling that in closer to my eyelid. Once that's complete, I'm going to take the red shade and go along the edges of the fake skin. Then I'm taking my dusty sponge using the darker burgundy shade just for some bruising around the eye. I put a little too much, so I'm going in my BB cream just to clean it up a bit. Then I'm taking the brown shade and I'm going to later go on with the black shade just for more bruising. Now for the fun part, I'm taking my bloody scab and adding it into the wound. I'm going back into my coloring, taking the black shade and adding it to the outside of the heart just to add depth. Then I'm taking my stage blood just so it can have a dripped effect, and I'm adding that to the wound. So I'm going back to the other eye. I wanted it to look glossy, so I'm adding Vaseline to it. Then I'm adding black paint to my lips. You can do a black lipstick. I just don't have one at the moment. And then I'm going to apply my black shadow over top of it just to set it. And that's the finished look, guys. I cannot lie, it was really hard to record. I hope you guys understood and could see what I was doing, but I really enjoyed creating this look. Let me know what you think in the comments, and like, subscribe, and make sure you click the bell so you can be notified for my next look. It may be something that you like this time. You know, if you're not into the gore, I got you.